create a new Angular project with ngCli, and after that install required module. We open a new terminal and install ngrex/store and start the Angular server. For our project, we don't need existing code, so delete it all. In global state management system, we need three components: actions, reducers, and store. If you are coming from React background, you should know it already. If you don't, then it's fine. It's easy to learn. Create a folder for actions and create action file inside it. Create your desired actions with create action function of ngrx/store. Create three actions for increment, decrement, and reset count values. Reducer also, we need a file for it. We need to import create reducer and on function from ngrx/store. Our initial state for this store, and that is 0 for mine. Create a reducer function and name it anything you want. I'll name it counter function. First parameter will be your initial state and rest is all your actions inside on function. But first import our all actions. On function will take two parameters. First is action and second is your desired state. On function is same as switch method in React Redux. Now export it with the state and action. Inside app.module.ts import store module and our reducer function. And inside imports array append store module. Here this object can have multiple reducers with different key names. Here I named it count. Now go to the component where you want to use store and import store module. I don't have any component, so I'll use inside app.component.ts. Here constructor will have store as parameter. This count refers to the count we defined inside our store. Now select the reducer from store that you want to work with and subscribe it. And this data is our actual state. And now you can use it anywhere inside your component. I saved this data inside my variable count, and again, don't confuse with the same count names. Now define your functions for modifying store data with store.dispatch. Here I am using auto import for importing actions. You have to do it manually if you are not using auto import. And inside your HTML, display your count data. make three buttons for increment, decrement, and reset count value. We will listen for click event on every button and assign them required functions. And now it should work.